8.3 months. That's how long a $20,000 Tesla robot takes to pay for itself, replacing your cleaning service. The Roomba just grew up. Yeah, you heard that right. 8.3 months. Tesla's own numbers say the Optimus robot can replace a daily housekeeper or a short-term rental cleaning service and break even before the end of the calendar year. And here's why the timing matters. The US cleaning industry is in a crisis right now that nobody's talking about. Wages spiked 8 to 12% in 2026 alone. 42% of cleaning workers turn over every single year. 78% of cleaning companies say they literally can't hire enough people. As Elon Musk put it in a media interview back in May of this year, quote, "Robots like Optimus could handle most physical jobs, priced affordably enough for every household, potentially under $20,000. But can a $20,000 robot actually replace the cleaning service you've been paying every month for 10 years? Let's break it all down. All right, let's start with the money, because this is where the math gets really uncomfortable for the cleaning industry. Here are the 2026 numbers. The U.S. residential cleaning market is a $17.2 billion industry. A standard cleaning visit nationally costs somewhere between $100 and $280, depending on your zip code. Most households are on a bi-weekly rotation, which works out to about $360 to $420 a month once you add the standard 15% tip. Call it $400 a month, $4,800 a year, for one house, without the bonus week, without the deep cleans, without the move-out cleans. Now, if you're a heavier user, an Airbnb host, a working couple with kids, or just someone who keeps a clean house every day, you're paying $2,400 to $2,800 a month. That's $30,000 a year, every year, forever. And the price keeps going up. The cleaning sector saw 8 to 12% wage inflation in 2026 alone, which means your $30,000 today is your $36,000 in 3 years. Now let's put Optimus right next to that number. Sticker price is $20,000. The annual operating cost, electricity at about $125 a year, plus a $2,000 maintenance and software budget, comes to $2,125. That's $177 a month. Do the math. For the heavy user paying $2,500 a month, the net monthly savings is $2,323. Divide $20,000 by that. The robot pays for itself in 8.6 months. 8.6. For a standard bi-weekly household paying $414 a month, the savings is $237. Payback runs closer to 7 years. Still a positive ROI. And it gets even better. Because if you're using Optimus for a home business, an Airbnb, or a sole proprietorship, the IRS lets you write off the entire $20,000 under Section 179 in the year you buy it. For someone in a 30% bracket, that's $6,000 back. Effective cost drops to $14,000. And here's the kicker. If you've been paying $300 a month for cleaning for the last 10 years, you've already spent $36,000. With inflation, it's closer to $50,000. You've already paid for 2 Optimus robots. And what do you have to show for it? Just a clean house this week, and the math gets absolutely insane. Okay, let's paint the picture. Imagine it's a Sunday night. You usually spend Sunday evenings doing what every American household does, the pre-Monday cleanup. The kitchen counters need wiping, the laundry's piled up, the downstairs floors look like a dog show happened on them. And by 8 p.m., you're tired, you're a little resentful, and you still haven't sat down. Now imagine Optimus has been on it all afternoon. The 22-degree of freedom hands have been wiping counters with the same pressure a human would use. The bathrooms are done. The vacuum's been running. Trash and recycling are sorted at the door. Laundry is folded and put away. The dishwasher is loaded and running. Imagine waking up Monday morning and the kitchen looks exactly the way it did when you closed it Sunday night. No coffee splatter, no crumbs, no glasses in the sink. Imagine reclaiming the 14 hours a week the Bureau of Labor Statistics says the average American spends on household activities. 2 full workdays. Every week. Forever. For a one-time $20,000 purchase. And imagine never again seeing another $300 charge labeled cleaning service hit your bank statement. Imagine that recurring monthly invoice that's been there for 10 years just disappearing. Imagine your future 10-year cleaning spend, $50,000 with inflation, going to zero, because a deflationary capital asset just replaced an inflationary recurring expense. That's the trade Tesla is offering. And for parents and homeowners and Airbnb hosts who do the cleaning math every single year, that's a trade that's going to get harder to ignore. The future looks like the future, folks. Now, Tesla isn't the only company building this future. Let's give credit where it's due. On the appliance side, we've come a long way. The Roborock S8 Max Vi Ultra at $3,000 will vacuum and mop your floors, wash its own mop pads, and dry them in the dock. The iRobot Roomba J9 Combo at $1,800 handles the same job for less money. These are genuinely great machines. But here's the limitation. None of them can climb your stairs. None of them can wipe a countertop. None of them can load a dishwasher. None of them can pick up your kid's toy before vacuuming under it. To get the full job done, you'd need a Roborock for the floors, a Brava for the bathrooms, a window cleaning bot, a dishwasher, and you still have to do the laundry yourself. On the humanoid side, 1X Technologies has the NEO at the exact same $20,000 price point. It's lighter, only 66 pounds, and built for safety around people. Unitree's G1 is the budget option at $16,000, but at 4'2", it can't reach your kitchen counters. Figure 03 is industrial-focused and runs $30,000 to $130,000. Tesla's pitch is simple. One humanoid replaces 5 or 10 single-purpose devices. Your Roomba just grew up, and honestly, that framing is going to be very hard to beat. Now we know what some of you are thinking, and this is the beat where the doubts hit hardest. Let's address them head-on. First, the Teleoperation controversy. At the Miami event in December of 2025, an Optimus unit fell over, and the robot's hands made the exact gesture a human makes when ripping off a VR headset. The robotics community immediately called it out. A human teleoperator disconnected mid-demo, which means the robot you saw wasn't really thinking on its own. That's a fair criticism. But here's the part that didn't make as much noise. 4 months later, in April of 2026, Tesla deployed Optimus units on the live factory floor at Gigafactory, Texas, autonomously running floor cleaning equipment in a working manufacturing environment. Not a demo, not a staged event, just doing the job. The teleoperation chapter is closing. The autonomy chapter is opening. Second, and this is the big one, privacy. A robot with multiple high-definition cameras roaming your home is a data security nightmare. And we can't ignore that back in 2023, a Reuters investigation revealed Tesla employees had been sharing private camera footage from customer vehicles internally. That happened. Tesla says it's different this time, with the new AI-5 chip processing video data locally on the device, without uploading raw footage to the cloud. Whether consumers actually trust that promise, well, that's the make-or-break question for this whole product. Third, the liability question. A 125-pound machine moving around your kids, your pets, and your grandmother's antique china. That's a real concern. This is what roboticists call Moravec's paradox. High-level reasoning is easy for AI. Low-level motor control in a chaotic environment is much harder. Tesla's answer is the Gen 3 hand. 22 degrees of freedom and tactile force-limiting sensors in every fingertip. If the robot can hold a raw egg without cracking it, and Tesla has demonstrated this, it can almost certainly avoid stepping on the dog. The insurance industry is still nervous. Current rider policies add 10 to 20% to commercial premiums. But this is a journey, not a destination, and the trajectory is real. Let's step back, because what's happening here is much bigger than a household appliance. The U.S. cleaning industry is collapsing in slow motion. 42% of frontline workers quit every single year. 78% of cleaning companies say they can't hire enough people. Wages are inflating at 8 to 12% annually, faster than nearly any other consumer service category. That's not a temporary shortage. That's a structural collapse. And it's happening just as American households are running out of time. The 2024 American Time Use Survey says we spend 14 hours a week on household chores. 2 full workdays. And the burden falls overwhelmingly on women. 48.5% of women do daily housework, versus just 24.9% of men. This is the gap a $20,000 robot is positioned to fill, and the numbers Wall Street is staring at are staggering. Goldman Sachs is forecasting a $38 billion humanoid market by 2035. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas is projecting a $5 trillion market by 2050, with over 1 billion units deployed globally. 1 billion. Rosie the robot from the Jetsons isn't a cartoon anymore. The hardware existed for years, only the brain was missing. With the AI-5 chip and Tesla's neural network, Rosie's brain has finally caught up to her body. Your Roomba just grew up, and in 2027, it might be standing in your kitchen. Now, we want to hear from you. How much do you currently spend on cleaning services every month? Would you trade that for a one-time $20,000 robot that works 7 days a week and never raises its rate? And if it were you, what would be the absolute maximum monthly payment you'd consider to own one of these things outright? Please drop your thoughts in the comments below. We genuinely want to hear from you. With that, we hope you learned a lot about Tesla's Optimus robot and what it could mean for your household budget after watching this video. If you did, we humbly ask that you please press that like button and join our family by subscribing to the channel. You'll never miss out on any of our awesome videos once you hit that bell icon. We value your feedback and the time you spent watching this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you back here soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, and God bless.